Hey guys, if you're getting Valorant error code VAN1067 and the game refuses to launch, this is a Vanguard and Windows security issue. You can fix it because this error usually appears when Secure Boot or TPM is disabled. Vanguard services are not running or Windows security settings are blocking the game. First, completely close Valorant and Riot client before doing anything else. Now press Windows R, type services, and press Enter. Scroll down and find VGC, which is the Riot Vanguard service. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, and if the service is stopped, click Start, then Apply and OK. Close the services window and restart your PC. This step is important for Vanguard changes. After restart, try launching Valorant again. If the error is still there, move to the next fix. Press Windows R, type tpm.msc, and press Enter. Make sure it says TPM is ready for use. If not, your system security settings need to be enabled in BIOS. Restart your PC and enter BIOS or UEFI, usually by pressing Delete or F2 during startup. Enable TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot, then save changes and exit. Once back on Windows, open Riot Client and run Valorant as administrator. If VAN1067 still appears, you need to reinstall Riot Vanguard completely. Go to Apps, Installed Apps, uninstall Riot Vanguard, then restart your PC immediately. After reboot, open Valorant and let Vanguard reinstall automatically. Once the installation finishes, restart your PC one last time. Now launch Valorant again, and in most cases, the error will be completely gone. If this video helped you fix Valorant error code VAN1067, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows and gaming fixes, and I will see you in the next video.